So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now once you open it, you should automatically get a pop-up that says Initialize disk, and it should be showing your disk. If you don't get it, then you want to find the disk which says unallocated. It should be saying not initialized and it should be in black. You want to right click here and then click on Initialize disk. You can now choose either MBR or GPT, whichever one you want. Make sure that your disk is ticked and then click on OK. It's now going to be saying unallocated. Now you want to right click on it and then click on New Simple Volume and then click on Next. Select your disk size and then click on Next. Choose your drive letter that you want and then click on Next. Choose your file system. Choose your volume label, so your drive name, and then click on Next and then click on Finish. You should now be having this new drive. We can go to File Explorer, then go to this PC, and you should be seeing it right here. Leave a like if this helped you.